When a woman wants you to have sex with her, they will not come to you directly and tell you, I want you to have sex with me. No, they will go through indirect ways. And trust me, if a woman shows you any of these four signs, she wants you to have sex with her. Number one, she sends you random sexy pictures of her and asks you, what do you think about it? She bought a new dress that's looking sexy on her, and she takes a picture and sends to you and asks you, what do you think about this dress? Does it look good on me? When a woman is constantly doing this, sending you random sexy pictures of her, trust me, she's trying to invite you into bed with her. So if you find her attractive, it's left to you to decide to do it with her or not. So this is the first sign. The second sign is she comes to your place and decides on her own that she wants to spend the night with you. You and this girl have been talking for some time. You guys are friends or colleagues or something like that. Then she tells you that I'm coming to your place. And when she gets to your place, she intentionally spends time till it's late. And she now tells you, it's too late. I cannot go back to my place. When a woman tells you it's too late, I cannot go back to my place, she knows what she's looking for. She knows what she's planning for you in the night. She basically wants you to spend the night with her. Then she starts asking you, do you have anything I can wear? Can I change into your clothes? Trust me, this is a clear indication that this girl wants to go down with you. And of course, it's not left for you to decide whether you want to go down with her or not. But one thing is certain, as long as a woman tells you, I want to spend the night with you, she knows what she's getting herself into. She has decided already in her mind that she wants to sleep with you. Because a woman who is not comfortable with having sex with you will never be comfortable spending the night with you. So once she tells you this, trust me, she wants to go down with you. The third sign that should tell you that this girl wants to have sex with you is when she invites you to her place often. You met this girl or two of you are probably friends and she's always inviting you to her place. And whenever you go to her place, she's always dressed in something sexy. She's always cooking for you nice meals. And she's always being too touchy. She's always trying to, make that physical contact with you. Maybe the first time she did it, you don't really understand what she was trying to, start up. But trust me, if you go back the second time and she does this, if you like her, of course, you can go ahead and make the first move. Because women don't want to be the ones that make the first move. Because they don't want to appear loose or they don't want to appear cheap. So they always try to use indirect means to get you to make the first move. And one of the things they do is they start making physical contacts with you, start touching you. They'll start telling you, this your biceps look good on you. It's big, let me touch it. All those things. They start telling you, check this my dress out. How does it look on me? They start discussing sex-related topics with you. They start asking you, what do you enjoy in bed? Or what do you want your woman to do on you when she's in bed with you? Once a woman starts discussing erotic topics with you, when she invites you over to her place, trust me, this woman wants to turn you on. And of course, from being turned on, you guys will go down. So trust me, as long as a woman is doing this, she wants to have sex with you. It's as simple as that. The fourth sign is when she's consistently cooking for you. A girl is always cooking for you, coming over to your place to cook for you. And when she comes to cook for you, she changes into a sexy dress, or she even wears your own dress without a bra. You all know how women love wearing their men's polos. They come to your place and they change into your polo, and they don't even wear bra. Basically, they are telling you, if you want to eat the food I cooked, you can eat. If you also want to eat the person that cooked it, you can eat. Basically, eat both of us. Do you want the food or do you want the cook? That's basically the options they are giving to you. There is no girl that will come to your place and cook for you without already making up her mind that she wants to have sex with you. Women don't just go to a random guy's house and cook for him. No, that girl must like you, that girl must find you attractive, and that girl must be willing to sleep with you. So if a woman is doing any of these things I've talked about, trust me, this woman wants to have sex with you. Now the last sign is she is always texting you at night. You are having a conversation at 2 a.m., at 1 a.m., at 3 a.m. with this girl. Deep conversations. Trust me, this only shows that this girl finds you very, very attractive and is already comfortable with you. Which means that if you ever invite her over to your place to have sex, she's going to immediately jump at it. A woman doesn't stay awake in the night talking with a guy at 2 a.m. without having some level of sexual feelings for that guy. Because as you all know, in the night, everyone is sleeping. And a girl can easily get turned on at that time. And even you can easily get turned on by that time of the night. Because everywhere is quiet. It's just two of you that are talking. Two of you are basically talking to each other at that time. Trust me, if a woman is doing this with you, she wants to sleep with you. She wants to have sex with you. There are no two ways about it. Once you tell her, babe, come to my place, let's do it, she will run to your place because she wants you. She desires you. So that's basically it. Any of these signs, she wants to have sex with you.